everyone, I'm Allie.
Hi everyone, I'm Hannah.
And we are going to show you some new products that are here at Potomac Beads for you to take a look at and to show you all the ways that you can use them. So one of the first things we're going to talk about is new collections. So we've been adding collections. I think we're up to like 50.
Oh yeah, 80.
80
We have
collections.
boxes, yep.
Boxes and boxes
Yep.
of collections. So check them out. One of the new ones to the warehouse are these 2-hold cab collections. So I'm going to take one out just to show here some of the shapes of those 2-hold cabs because you might not be super familiar with them, but they are a 2-hold 6mm bead. And the cab shape shows that they have that nice flat surface. So I know we have a number of tutorials with them, but we also have some new things in the works.
Yep. As you can see, they're very flat back, so you can just go ahead and glue the back of the earring on it. Oh, I'm not on the camera.
There you go.
You can go ahead and add the flat back to it and make some beautiful pairs of earrings.
Yep, Cheryl just made these and we were admiring them. She's hanging out. She's the one that's kind of creating all the collections. So she grabs some things out and makes little doodads for us. So we'll have this one coming and some new tutorials as well. And we have some more collections too. So what's our next collection?
We got some magic colorway and white funky colorway flower cup beads. And then we got warm and cool colorway as well.
Nice. So when we have the different collections, what we do is we put beads together that look really nice. And this one, it looks like you're getting, I think, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
yeah.
maybe actually 6.
Yeah.
You get 6 colors in these different ways. So we've got some lights, cools. What was this one called?
This is the
warm colors. And then this is the magic colors. So that's kind of fun also. And we want to just show, this is great for designs like this. Flower design here. This is the dropping flowers necklace. What did you say you liked that it what?
I like that it comes to a point at the end. And it's very V-shaped.
And I love looking at these. And this one uses very neutral tones. Make it into brighter tones. So how cool would it look in like these colors, bringing in some of those bright ones?
Yeah.
Obviously, you could do the more neutrals. You have enough in there. But I'd want to see it in those magic colors and funky different colors. And then in addition to, so we have 4 different colorways of those flower cups. And then we have some more collections as well too. So what's our next collection that we got? You said 80. Wow, we are up to 80, aren't you?
Yep. And then we have 2-hole bars, top colors, and then the warm color 2-hole bar beads.
Nice. So if you want all the top colors of the 2-hole bars, they're called top colors for a reason.
They are the top.
They are the top colors. When we pick them individually, these are the tops of your Crystal Labrador, your Jet Bronze Fool, your nice cream there, which is going to be your Champagne, your Jet, your zinc, and then of course always in the top, my favorite, the turquoise color.
Yes, turquoise is my favorite.
Yeah, so you get all these great colors, and Anna has an awesome bracelet for this, but I also wanted to show that you can have fun with a lot of 2-hole beads like this Bauble Bliss. So you can look at the different bracelets like this that have those 2-hole beads, bars, and use the combinations of colors and have fun when you're doing the different designs. And then what's this colorway? This is warms?
Yep.
Warm. And then same deal. So you got those nice warm tones. I feel like this is great for right now. I want to feel warm.
Yeah, exactly. We want to feel warm with this weather.
It's not that nice out. Let's feel warm and great with the warm tones. So I like that you can get all of these together rather and know that these colors are going to work together rather than us having to think about colors. So Anna's got it all figured out. And then you have one more collection that just came?
One more. It's just the 2-hole tile metallic collection.
Oh, cool. So I'm going to unpack this because I haven't seen many of these collections. So these are brand new to me too as they come to you in the warehouse. Oh, they have all the metallic colors. Nice. So these are great for multi-strand bracelets, like just stringing. Like I know Cheryl has some here, nice and handy to pull, that she literally just strung them together. You can just string together, add a bead on the interior. We also have a bracelet that shows how to put a button on this. And you just basically take your lines through. We should do this for next bead night.
Yeah, we should. Yeah.
This should be our bracelet.
Yeah.
With thread and needle, this is a good beginner one to do the tiles. So number of new collections, definitely check those out because they're really great different colorways. And like we said, you don't have to think. Like Anna's already and Cheryl have already thought for us, and it's great to not have to think. You place your order and you get all of these colors together. We've also been creating more kits. So as Anna does some videos, as I do videos, we're creating kits right away for you. So let's do a quick kit rundown. What have we got?
All right, so we got the Harlequin 2-drop brick stitch earrings.
And Anna was super creative, and one earring goes one way, one goes the other way.
That's awesome.
If you can't deal with that, you just switch it up.
Yep.
So don't worry. And the kits all come with needle thread, with the patterns, and links to the video as well, too. So Harlequin earrings. So we've got some earrings. What else do we have?
And then we have the toggle and chain waterfall necklace.
Nice. That uses some of the pebble beads. So these are I have them here in the moonstone, but these are going to use labradorite pebbles, some crystals, nice chain with it. Ooh. And you can make it longer or shorter because you have plenty of extra chain in here to make that happen, and extra wire as well too. And what else we got?
And then my favorite, the art glass floating necklace.
Nice. If you were a person that wanted a advent calendar and didn't get one, this is one of the projects in there, and you can do it in any kind of order. It comes with a bead stopper, your crimp beads, and some extra things to have fun creating. Yeah. And
then we have the evergreen seed bead wreath.
There's still time to make your Christmas ornaments. You can check out that evergreen Christmas wreath. You get the wreath that wood form. We showed those the last time.
Yes, we did.
So we have those wood forms. This is a new form that's specific to this kit. Again, thread and needles, and you've got all the stuff ready to go. This, I want to hang this on the door.
Right?
It is
it's
so
like, it's
lifelike.
a wreath.
Yeah, it's so lifelike.
Yep.
And we've got one more.
Yep. Lastly, we have the Snow Day Snowflake ornament.
And even if we get past Christmas time, you don't have time to make this, hang it in. I like this as like a little sun catcher hanging on your window.
Totally. Yeah, you can do any different colors. Yeah.
Yeah. You know those little clear plastic sticky things to the window?
Yeah.
How fun would it be in January if you have that little snowflake coming through? So this is a cool one by Anna, having all of those seed beads in there. Again, thread and needles, and all of the different metal beads coming in. So lots of new kits as well. I know one of Anna's big pushes is to get you tons of kits on the warehouse floor.
Yep.
And then new that we had to Amazon and we're bringing to our own site is a collection. And which collection is this?
This is the check fire polished strands.
Nice. So you have them, they come in the little box here, and you're going to get 30 strands of fire polished rounds. Which is amazing. And the colors kind of vary a little bit, but endless things to do. Oh, if you get one of the collections of those two-hold tiles that we were showing, these will look really cool in between. Yes. You could add those in between and you have those. So great savings getting those as a big grouping if you want to check that out via Amazon or from our own website as well. So for our next item, we get to have fun because we've made a map on a bead on it board here. The next thing we have, because we've had a black option that is battery operated, we wanted to make sure to have another option based on feedback. This is our new bead vac. So the bead vac is actually going to come with a rechargeable cord, so you can charge it, plug it in. I just plugged it into my computer for a couple minutes in order to charge that up. And then it's going to work to clean up all of your beads. And if you keep it with your bead projects, we'll show you kind of how you can take it apart and use it to make sure to clean up your beads and for easy access to a quick cleanup without mixing products. So so it comes like this. What else does it come with?
It also comes with 2 nozzles, one that has little bristles that will help your beads flow into the bead vac.
And get those little corners.
Yep, and get all the little corners on your bead on it board, just like this. It will come
right along the side.
Yep.
Pushing them in, and then the other one.
And then this one is just almost like a vacuum hose, and it'll help you pick up your beads real quick and fast.
All right, you want to stick that on?
Yep.
Let's stick that on. And then I'm going to show you how cool this is on the interior. So here's the button along the back that is going to turn it on. So you're going to hold down your button, turn it on. Ready?
Whoa!
Look, I can do all my beads. Cleaning up my messes. Get around in those corners with that nice little side. I can then turn it off. And now this is the cool part about it. So if you don't mix it in with your other beads, you do it one at a time. I know our photographers use these as well. There's an open and close. So you can open it, pushing it to the side, and the beads stay in there. So the older version, they kind of floated around. You just kind of had to catch it. It has that little filter there that used to be right up to. What you're going to do is you're going to go in and you are going to remove that filter. Through removing that filter, then I can get my factory pack bag here and dump all those right back in. Make sure that that area is empty. You don't have any lint. Push your filter back in. Go back into the side here and open and close it locking it down, ready to go to pick up your next bead
Yeah.
on the mat. And I know you kind of want to get in here.
It's okay, yeah, sure do.
Hannah's like, yeah,
Vacuum on up.
this is like the fun. I was like, we're going to save the vacuum for last. It's the most fun to deal with. So once you have all your products done and cleaned up, you're going to turn that off, open that up, click it off, yep, and then pull your little setter out there, dump those beads in, and ready to go. So Hannah's going to keep cleaning up.
Vacuuming.
So lots of fun things, and we appreciate the feedback from basically version number 1, that black version, so that way we know exactly what you are looking for and all of the different ways that you can use them as well too. So super excited to bring you. I know Hannah can't stop. If you can't tell, she's in charge of our warehouse organization. She can't stop with all of those different ones as well too. The little nozzle here is great if you're working with crystals.
Oh, yeah.
It's not going to mark up your crystals.
Yeah.
I like the littler one for seed beads. It's going to work really, really well with those seed bead items as well too. Yeah. So fun new products kind of coming here to Potomac as we love hearing your feedback, creating those products and getting them to you on our warehouse floor and onto our website.
Thanks so much for joining us. All of these products are available on the PotomacBeads.com website.
And if you want to get any links to them and you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead below the video. We'll link to these exact products for you. You can take a look at them. Also, don't forget, we love your feedback. So if you want to tell us about different products, what you'd love to see, make sure to comment below the video. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next month.
See ya.